Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will delve into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Microsoft as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.12. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at 390.86 will initially suggest a slower rate of decline, but it could also be the first indication of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately negative 14.23% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between negative 22.52% and negative 13.55%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of negative 5.76%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may vary from negative 13.94% to 8.48% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price range between 333.74 and 420.70. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Microsoft Stock Price After Monday Trading. The Microsoft stock price experienced a decline of 0.165% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 14th of April, 2025. It decreased from $388.45 to $387.81. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 2.71%, reaching a low of $384.21 and a high of $394.64. Although the price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, it has still increased by 3.31% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also declined on the last day, which is a positive indicator since volume typically follows stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 5 million shares, with a total of 19 million shares traded for approximately $7.35 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $468.35, while the lowest price was $344.79. Currently, the price is 17.20% or $80.54, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which remains the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft's recent performance reflects a complex landscape marked by both challenges and opportunities. Despite initial optimism surrounding its advancements in artificial intelligence, investor sentiment has shifted amid increasing competition and concerns regarding substantial expenditures in this area. This has led to a stagnation in Microsoft's market valuation, compounded by mounting tariff tensions that impact broader market sentiment, adding pressure on the stock. However, Microsoft's long-standing trajectory of double-digit growth remains intact, thanks to its robust monetization strategies and a diverse portfolio that includes strong performance in the intelligent cloud and productivity segments. Investors who see potential in Microsoft's fundamentals may view this moment as a buying opportunity, particularly as the company seeks to strategically pace its data center expansion, indicating a cautious approach to its investments in artificial intelligence. Additionally, ongoing legal issues surrounding Activision's Call of Duty platform could create volatility for Microsoft, particularly if they result in regulatory scrutiny or affect customer trust. Over the short term, these challenges could weigh on the stock price, but in the long run, Microsoft's resilience and adaptive strategies suggest it could emerge stronger, particularly as it continues to leverage its technological strengths in a competitive market. Ultimately, while immediate pressures may impact investor confidence temporarily, Microsoft's solid fundamentals, coupled with its strategic adaptability, position it well for continued growth and potential recovery in stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 7th of April 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned Microsoft a buy rating along with a hold action. On Friday, the 28th of March 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Microsoft a reduce rating along with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 20th of March 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial assigned Microsoft a buy rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 20th of March 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Microsoft an outperform rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of March 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned Microsoft an outperform rating along with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. The Microsoft stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is currently above the short-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected at $374.34 and $385.30. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 9.38%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price in the last trading session, which diminishes overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger showed a buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average signaled a buy 5 days ago. Long-term moving average also indicated a buy 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 51 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average signaled a sell 53 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 48 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft currently finds support from accumulated volume at $381.35. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock demonstrates average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $10.43, which represents a change of 2.71%. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 5.60%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This PE ratio falls within a typical range, commonly observed in companies with established histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $3.20. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at 390.49. If you do not currently own any shares, You may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at 381.35. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 19th of March, 2025, Coleman Amy conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 13th of March, 2025, Walmsley Emma N. executed an insider purchase of 1,245 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Rodriguez Carlos A. made an insider purchase of 859 shares of restricted stock units. Also on the 13th of March, 2025, Pritzker Penny S. acquired 28,629 shares of restricted stock units. Additionally, on that day, Peterson Sandra E. purchased 54,057 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a negative insider power with a ratio of negative 29.901. In total, insiders bought 162,424 shares and sold 300,294 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $372.06, reflecting a decrease of 4.06%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. There is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 4 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, we believe that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 15th of April, we expect Microsoft to open higher by $1.08 and start trading at $388.89. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.